Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time stopping by to my channel, my name is Atinuke. So today I'll be sharing with you how I achieved this lovely gorgeous bob box braid wig. So you can see what I'm doing now. I'm sewing my lace closure down. I'm using a half closure. I divide one closure into two, so that is what I'm using. This wig is not mine, I'm making it for someone. So this is the attachment I'll be using, color 1 and color 30. I used 3 color 1, that is 3 pack of color 1. Then I didn't even finish 1 pack of color 30. You have to cut your attachment into 3. You have to cut 1 into 5, 1 into 4, then 1 into 3. I'll put it on the screen somewhere here to explain to you, so you can see what I'm doing. I'm just using my metallic pen to put a dot because the wig is not mine, I'm making it for someone, so I don't want any line to show. This is a very beginner friendly. Sorry, my camera was kind of out of focus. I didn't realize that there's some parts in this video that kind of stuff happened. I'm really sorry. So this is the first track I did. I'm going to use my crochet needle to crochet hair on this cap. Then I'll use another hair to braid. If you don't want to use another hair to braid, feel free to do that. You can braid as you crochet, but this is the method I love using. Just a normal braid. If you're a new subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. And if you've not subscribed, what are you waiting for, guys? Please and please support your girl by clicking on the subscribe button, like, share with your loved one. I really appreciate that so much. And when you are braiding, please, if you are braiding a bob wig, make sure your braids are tight. It should not be loose. Make sure your braids are tight. That is what is going to give you that bob towards the ending when you cut the excess off and you bond the tip. When your braids are tight, the hair is going to bob itself without you using a straightening machine. A straightener to bob towards the end of the braid. Do you understand what I mean? When you crochet, let me explain myself again. I'm trying to allow you guys to understand. When you crochet, when you start braiding, make sure the braids are tight. That is what is going to make the braid to form the bob itself towards the end. Make sure your braids are tight and make sure you tie the loop very well. You can see it's already forming the braid without me even cutting the excess off. I'm very sure you guys grab what I'm trying to say. So I use the spacing method. Make sure you give a lot of space as much as you can. So now I'm still using the hair I cut into 5 at this part. I'm still using the hair I cut into 5. I cut 1 pack of xpression into 5. Then you have to take another one, cut it into 4. Then another one, cut it into 3. We are going to see how we are going to make use of that as we are going. Right now I'm still using the one I cut into 5. So when I get to the stage of me using another inches, I'm going to tell you guys. so that you can dip your hand as you bond the tip. You can see I just tie a knot, form a loop, then I just tie it twice or once. Oh my god, no makeup look today. This wig is not mine. It's not mine. I made it for someone. So thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to click on the like button, share with your loved one, thumbs up. Please, if you are still watching to this stage, God bless you, sis. I really appreciate your love and support. Please make sure you like this video, thumbs up, watch to the end, share with your loved ones. See my next video. Stay blessed.